In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a button over an image in WordPress. Whether you're customizing a landing page, creating a clean call to action, or you simply want to make your design look more professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your WordPress dashboard and create a brand new page so you can follow along from scratch. Once the new page loads, click on Media Library and choose the image you want to use. Select the image, insert it, and you'll see it appear right on your page. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the small image icon that appears on top of your block. Click it again until you see the option to transform the image into a cover block, and that's exactly what we need. Once you switch to the cover block, go and write /button. In pop-up menu, you will find Button. You'll see an option to add a button right inside the image, so go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, the button will appear beautifully on top of your image. Now type your button text something like "click here." From here, you can drag the button to adjust its position, center it, move it lower, whatever fits your design. You can also customize the colors, alignment, and even copy styles if you want a consistent theme across your page. On the right-hand side, WordPress gives you even more controls like styling, animations, spacing, and typography. Want a bigger font? Go for it. Need bold text? Easy. If you want this button to open in a new tab, just add your link and toggle the option that says Open in New Tab. You can even link it to another page on your website, like your About or Services page, so whenever someone clicks the button, that page opens instantly in a new window. Once you've completed these steps, take a moment to preview your page. Make sure the button looks clean, loads correctly, and feels natural on the design. It's also a good idea to test the link just to be sure everything works smoothly. Taking this extra step keeps your user experience seamless and professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a button on an image in WordPress easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?